Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Colonel Grijaldo, what motivated you to speak before this committee?
The time, Your Honor, I was insulted and it is very offensive, and I think it is inappropriate for anyone to act like that.
Meaning, you feel that you are being coached to make that statement?
Yes, Your Honor. I feel I've been corrupted to make that statement, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Just because that time, habang nag-uusap-usap, habang nagkakaroon ng deliberation doon sa hearing, Your Honor, hindi ko alam kung may present nila si Colonel Garman that time, Your Honor, na mag-aano nung second supplemental, ay yung supplemental affidavit niya.
So do you feel harassed? Did you feel harassed?
It's an harassment and very offensive, Your Honor, and uncalled for anybody. That time, I was wearing my uniform.
You're wearing your
As
uniform
police officer.
and you are being told to lie.
Parang
Am I correct?
gusto nilang magsisinungaling po ako, Your Honor.
So, Colonel Grijaldo, I would like to thank you for your courage. I'm sure maraming police ngayon nanonood, and if you have observed, mabuti na nagsalita ka, dahil if you have observed the way they are treating policemen in the Quadcom, it's very hard. I feel them. I feel them. Because naging police din ako. Kapag sasabihan ka lang, answer yes or no. You can only answer yes or no. You're not allowed to explain yourself. So, para bang you are being deprived. You are being deprived of your right to explain yourself. Kaya lalong-lalo na kapag ikaw itinuturuan na itong sasabihin mo, itong paragraph sasabihin mo, o dito, pwede ka ba dito? So, that's very inappropriate and it's very irregular for a lawmaker making an investigation in aid of legislation to make that kind of approach to a resource person na parang pinipilit na itong sabihin mo, iko-coach ka, ito, pwede ka ba dito? Para ang lumalabas na meron talaga silang preconceived na goal na kung anong dapat lang mahit dito, kaya ginaguide yung magiging statement mo. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So ngayon, Mr. Chairman, kung nakikinig yun ang Philippine National Police, lalong-lalo na yung liderato ng Philippine National Police, I don't know what's his reaction with the statement of Grijaldo, because Colonel Grijaldo is just, I congratulate him for being so courageous enough to speak up for the truth in behalf of all the policemen na parang winawalang hiya sa mga tao na dapat hindi magwalang hiya sa inyo. Ay, kung nakikinig yun ang CPNP, I hope this is your person, this is your man. Dapat dipinsahan ninyo ito. Huwag ninyo itong ilagay sa litsunan. Huwag nyo ilitson itong tao na ito. Because he's standing for the PNP. Na dapat hindi ganun ang treatment ng mga resource person pagdating sa investigation. Kasi parang ang baba ng tingin sa inyo, ng nag-iimbestiga sa inyo. Yun lang ang nakikita ko, masyadong mababa. That's all, Mr. Chairman. Congratulations. And we'd like to thank you for standing up.
Your time has also expired. But sige nga, the long and short of it, yung may maikling kwento, kasi hindi ko naman napanood buong Quadcom, Kayo ba ay tumistigo sa Quadcom din, finally? Nagsalita rin kayo ron?
Yes, sir. We were already at the...
Nag-affidavit ka doon? Nagsabit ka
Wala
sa...
po kaming
Wala ka
inapidapit. We're just...
So, ilang
speaking
tanong lang
from
ang
the
sinagot mo
questions.
doon? Ilang tanong? Tungkol saan? Anong
The
topic?
last time that I was asked by Congressman Paduano, it's all about the operation sa Oron, Your Honor.
Oron?
Sa Oron, yes,
One
sir.
particular operation?
Yeah.
Sa first appearance mo? Second appearance mo? Anong
Your
topic?
Honor, the first appearance on September 27, it's all about about EGK that time, Your Honor.
Sige, basta wala kang affidavit, so makikita
No, Your
na
Honor.
natin. Okay, so my colleagues, no, the President is getting tired. So kung meron tayong questions for the address to the former President, tanungin na lang natin. Sir, okay ka lang, sir?
Sir, I'm good until 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I know.
5 na, sir. 5 na.
Totoo, sir.
4 a.m.
4 a.m.
He's referring to 4
Hindi ako
a.m.
nagpapatawa.
Yes, I know that, Mr. President.
Mr. Chairman,
Okay, so-
just to clarify, and I hope I didn't miss anything. When Colonel Grijaldo made mention about him being asked to lie and being asked to be influenced by a legislator, he is by himself, Mr. President.
Can you answer the
There's
question?
no one in the room who can
Witness.
actually...
Sino daw naka-witness ng exchange
Is
na
there
yon?
anyone, sir?
At present the time, the two lawyers of Colonel Garma, they were on the right side of at the back that time, Your Honor, because it was discussed in the table on this place, and it was shown to them also. It can be seen by the two lawyers, because we are only 5 in the room, Your Honor.
And seen and heard
Yes, Your Honor.
the words that you uttered a while ago.
Just because one of the lawyer reacted when I refused to confirm the statement, because the holdings of this paper, Your Honor, like this, it was on the second page, and I've seen some notes or names, and my name was indicated in that statement. So when I rejected, or I don't want to say rejected, parang nag-explain na ako na hindi ko kayang i-confirm yung statement na yun.
And what was the
Sabi niya,
reaction again?
kaya-
The reaction of the lawyer said,
Hindi na rin sila umimik, Your Honor. Kasi yun lang naman gusto nila na mag-collaborate do sa statement na pinabit ni Colonel Garma.
thank you.
May I move that Colonel Grijaldo be recommended to the Mother Committee to be under witness protection program, because he might be very vulnerable to counter attacks from this congressman na sinabi niya. So baka pwede lang, Mr. Chairman.
Sige, we will have to study well the situation of Colonel Grijaldo, so we will refer it. We'll communicate with the Mother Committee. Active service pa po kayo, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
How many more years?
I still have 4 years, sir.
Okay, sige. I'll pag-isipan natin yan how an active police officer will be under WPP. But siguro you're not after the physical protection, but you're after some benefits, some other benefits like immunity.
From so?
Okay, I understand.
Because I think the committee can grant that
Yes, I understand.
immunity,
Okay, we will-
immunity clause.
Pwede, Comsec, can you help us bring this to the attention of the Blue Ribbon chairperson?
The COMSEC is nodding
Yes,
his
they will
head,
bring
Mr.
it to the
Chairman.
attention of the chairperson.
Mga kabunyog, mga kababayan, mula pa man po ng grabing pananalanta ng Bagyong Christine sa inyo pong mga financial donations at donations in kind, ay kaagad pong nakatulong ang Attorney Enzo Recto at ang bunyog sa ating pong mga kababayan dito sa Naga City, Camarines Sur at Bicol, na mahagi po tayo ng mga hot meal sa mga sinalanta. At kahit po baha pa, sinuong po natin ito upang maipahatid sa bahay-bahay ang inyo pong mga pinadalang tulong. Nang humupa na po ang baha, lalapwa nating pinalawak ang pamimigay ng mga relief pack sa mga nangangailangan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ngayon ay nasa rehabilitation stage na po ang ating mga kababayan. Patuloy pa rin po ang pagpapaabot sa akin ng mga request ng kanilang mga pangangailangan. Kung gusto po ninyong patuloy pang makatulong, bukas pa po tayong tumanggap ng mga financial donations at kahit po mga donations in kind. Ang sabi ko po, Hanggat may natatanggap pa rin po akong tulong mula po sa inyo, patuloy pa rin po itong ating proyekto. Napakaraming salamat po muli sa inyo.
May hulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa.
Bunyog Party List.
Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.